Today for phonics, we're going to be looking at some words and thinking about what we notice about the sounds and the vowels in the word. I'm going to read the words out loud. Ride, like, cube, tube. I want you to take a minute and see or think about what do you notice about these words. Do they have anything in common? How are they different? If we look at the words over here, ride and like, we notice that they both have an E on the end of them. I'm going to circle the E on the end of the word. I also notice that both of these words have an I in them. They both have the vowel I. The letters that I did not circle are different. Those letters are consonants. So both of these words have consonants and vowels. We see a vowel E at the end of the word, and we see the vowel I towards the beginning of the word or the middle of the word. I want to read these words again. I want you to think about the vowel. What sound does the vowel make? R, I, D, L, I, K. Is that vowel I making a short sound or a long sound? The vowel I is making its long sound. It is saying its name. The quiet E on the end of the word makes the vowel I say its name. Let's look at the other words. Cube and tube. What do you notice about those words? Both of the words have a quiet E on the end of them. Also, both of the words have a U in the middle. What sound is the U making? Is that vowel making a short or a long sound? The U is making its long sound. The quiet E makes the U say U. K, U, B, and then we don't hear the E. T, U, B, and we don't hear the E. We're going to sort the rest of these words based on what sound is the vowel making. Sh, ein, sh, ein. I notice that that word has a quiet E on the end, and it has an I that says I, sh, ein. So I'm going to put it over here because these words ride and like also have an I vowel that says I. Let's look at the next word, right, right. I notice this word also has a quiet E and an I. Quiet E and an I. Right. The I says its name. I'm going to put it over here because these words have an I that says its name. Let's look at the word rule. Rule. I see a quiet E and a vowel U, and the U says its name. I'm going to put it over here with cube and tube because they also have a quiet E and a U that says its name. Let's look at the word huge. Huge. That word also has a quiet E and a U that says its name, so I'm going to put it over here. We sorted these words by a rule, using a rule. What rule could these words follow? They both have an I and a quiet E, and the quiet E makes the I say its name. These words have a quiet E and a U that says its name. In all of these words, we see consonant, vowel, consonant, and then they all have a silent E on the end. So the pattern for these words today is consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. We don't hear the E at all. Today for your assignment, There are the words in green. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to make your paper look like this. You're going to draw a little T-chart, so draw a line straight across and a line down. Then you'll have two sections. You'll have one over here and one over here. At the top, I want you to write I/E, and then U/E. And you're going to write these words with your paper and pencil under the heading that they belong under. Here are the words. I'll read them out loud, and you're going to write them on your paper in which section they belong to, and then you're going to upload a picture of your work. Rule, ride, cube, huge, right, like, white, tube, flute, and shine. And you can pause this video and while you're writing the words down so that you have time to say them out loud and write them in the section they belong in. So feel free to pause the video right here and then go ahead and sort them. And when you're done, you can upload a picture of your work by clicking on the link that says click here.